Which equation shows the value of x raised to the fourth power when x equals 3? So x raised to the fourth power, but x is equal to 3. So that's 3 raised to the fourth power. 3 raised to the fourth power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And going left to right, 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 times 3 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27, so 27 times 3. And 27 times 3 is 81. So we've got x to the fourth equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81. Looks like D is going to be our guy.